5 editing mistakes every YouTuber needs to know about. I'm Eddie, and I want you to be a YouTube success. Let's hit up with number 1. Don't try to make it similar to traditional media. Utilize jump cuts and quick sentences to improve your pace. There should be 0 moments of silence. Either you're talking or there's some sort of music or sound effects. In the editing process, experiment a little bit to make sure that everything moves smoothly in your video. Number 2, don't use unnecessary footage. You're going to be telling a story, so you want to have a smooth flow through that story. A lot of great content creators write out the story first, then shoot the footage before they go on camera and tell the story. That's what you need to do. In the end, taking an hour to write out a story will help save you several hours worth of editing and filming that aren't necessary. Use Google Docs and Google Keep to help me with my notes in order to help me keep everything in line so that my videos come out a little bit more smooth. Takes me to point number 3. Don't just record without a plan first. Part of writing the story out will help you plan exactly what you want to say. If you include music in your edits, pick that first to help you with your story flow, so it all fits together. Mistake number 4 is do not waste your time on boring edits. Anybody that's ever put any effort into making a vlog knows that there are parts of the edit that we all dread. Do those edits first so you have the quality time necessary to work on the fun, exciting parts. This also helps by giving you something to look forward to, which in turn helps you push through the boring parts, making it much faster. And that extra time will help your video look better. And number 5, do not forget that this is YouTube. You don't want to be telling a story, you want to be showing a story. Lots of people put out podcasts that tell a story. You don't need to have visual effects for that. This is YouTube, so use the capability of visual effects to help with that story process. The story as it unfolds will help your audience know what's going on and keep them entertained. Showing a story as it unfolds will help your audience know what's going on and keep their attention. With a strong plan, good music, a precise story, and practice, you can make videos that your audience will love. I'm Eddie, and I hope this helps. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so I can continue to help you be a YouTube success.